beautifully. So periodically throughout the song, you're welcome to chime in on whatever feels right. I am calling in light. I call on light to help me ignite my mind, ignite my body, ignite my soul. May I illuminate whole, embrace what I will become, embrace what I will become. And I am calling in love, call in love to share and give more of. Give of my mind, body and heart. Give of my soul to hold the world unalone. Let's hear those bells. Embrace what I will become. Embrace what I will become. And I am calling in truth. I call in truth so I can speak renewed. Speak for my mind, from my body, to guide my soul with grace and control. Embrace what I will become. Embrace what I will become. And I call on joy. I call on joy so I can come uncoil, free in my mind, body and heart, free in my soul to let my fear unfold.